Inside Apple numbers, we can use slider to increase or decrease the value of particular things. So let's see how we can make a real-time charts in Apple numbers with slider. Here there is on sample dataset is there, and there are two charts are there, like pie chart and donut chart, something like that. So here the values are written as manual. We can make this value field as slider. So let's see how we can change this slider value and we can check the update of this chart. So at first we need to select the value which we want to make a slider. At first I am going to show you the particular field slider value. For example, this one, it has the value 15. So once we select here, then we have to come format, then inside the format we have to go cell, and there is data format is there. So inside it, inside this data format there is number. We have to change from number to slider. Here is the slider. I'm going to click here slider, so a slider will be appeared. Now we can change this value by using this slider, and you will see the update of the values over here. So right now it is 15. Now I'm going to decrease this thing. Now I'm making it 8, and you'll check the values will be updated once I release the cursor. See, here it changed, the values changed automatically. Even if we make it like 0, then let's see, the value becomes like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 items are there right now, but 1 2 3 4 items are here, and here also 4 items are there. But if we increase the slider, then you will see the update is increasing. I mean, the update is reflecting on this chart. So in this way we can use slider. So if we want to use this slider value for all of the like data or cell value, then what we need to do, we just need to select the column. The column will be highlighted like this. We have to click the header to select the entire column, and then we have to come format cells, and inside this data format we have to choose slider, and then all the column values from this column will be changed to slider. Now we can click anywhere and we can change the value, and we'll see the values are updating automatically based on the slide this value which you are using as a slider. And that's it. In this way we can make interactive charts using sliders in Apple numbers where Microsoft Excel fails for this type of case.